Okay, so it's Cote Trains in Montreal. I'm here at the Decarie Bridge in Cote St Luc. And it looks like we got a freight train, a CP or QGRY, one of the two. Shooting over the fence. Sounds like QGRY maybe. QGRY, and it's the older locomotives. Train heading north. So I was here to get the early train. Looks like I didn't get it. Looks like I'm getting the later train. Hopefully this comes out good. It is really rumbling, this bridge. Like the vibrations, you can just feel it throughout the fence. Now this will be heading up north towards, what's you call it there, Saint Jérôme and Quebec City. Probably go up to the yard there and, oh, I forget the name of the town. I'll put it in the description, but it's always the same place. They have that yard. Ste Theresase. That's where the yard is, in Ste Theresase. Yeah, look at this. It's got a lot of auto racks on it. I was fortunate enough a few years ago to go up to Ste Theresase and film a QGRY train switching the yard out. I think they do it around midday. It's around noon now. 11:30. I'd say 11:40. It's the 28th of July, 2023. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cote Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.